Alright, I want you to watch the speed overlay right here. I'm cruising down a busy road at 87 kilometers per hour. I've got full traffic surrounding me. Keep your eyes on the traffic light ahead, right here. It flips to yellow. At 72 kilometers an hour, I am only a few meters away from the intersection line. Basic driving physics tells you one thing. It is physically impossible to safely stop a moving vehicle in that short of a distance at this speed. Any human driver knows you are deep in the dilemma zone. You are past the point of no return. You have to commit and clear the intersection, but instead of driving through, Tesla FSD completely panics. It violently slams on the brakes with everything it's got, triggering an incredibly aggressive, reckless stop that leaves me stranded halfway out into the middle of the junction. But look at what happened to the traffic around me. The Tesla on my left did exactly what a human should do. He drove straight through at speed, and thank God he did, because the driver right behind me was about to smash straight into my bumper. With zero time to react to my sudden stop, the car behind me had to pull an emergency evasive maneuver, swerving left at the absolute last fraction of a second into the lane the other Tesla just cleared. Tesla, throwing the laws of physics out the window and panic braking like this doesn't prevent accidents, it causes them. The Autopilot team needs to fix this yellow light logic before a phantom stop like this causes a massive pileup.